Hello, today we will guide you through how to make Google Drive folder available offline. If you want to keep working on your files even when you do not have internet access, Google Drive includes an offline option that can help. Turning this on allows you to access supported Google Drive files from your computer while offline, which is especially useful when traveling, working remotely, or dealing with an unstable connection. In this walkthrough, we'll go through where to find that setting and how to enable it. Begin by opening Google Drive in your web browser and going to the main Drive homepage. Once you are there, make sure the page is fully loaded so all of the menu options are visible and ready to use. This helps avoid missing the settings icon or opening the wrong menu. Next, move your attention to the upper right area of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Google Drive keeps the main preferences that control how your drive works in the browser. After selecting Settings, you'll be taken to the Settings page where you can adjust several general options. From there, stay in the General Settings section and scroll down until you find the Offline option. Take your time here since the setting can be lower on the page and easy to overlook if you scroll too quickly. The Offline section is the one that allows Google Drive to prepare files for use when you are not connected to the internet. Once you've located it, click the checkbox for Offline to enable the feature. This tells Google Drive to make compatible files available for offline access on that device and browser. Depending on your setup, Google may take a moment to apply the setting, and in some cases it may prompt you to confirm or install anything required for offline use. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen instructions. After the checkbox is selected, offline access is turned on. It's a good idea to give Google Drive a little time to sync and prepare your files, especially if this is your first time enabling the feature. Also, keep in mind that offline availability is tied to the device and browser you're using, so if you switch computers, you may need to repeat the process there as well. And that's all it takes to make Google Drive available offline. Once enabled, you'll have a more flexible way to access your work, even without an internet connection.